Hi, this is Ted from the eMapshop, and today I'm going to demonstrate the eMapshop using Adobe Reader 10. Some of you will be faced with using 10 instead of 9, and it's somewhat different. And I just wanted to make sure that you knew where all the tools were so that you could get the maximum utility out of the eMapshop. Let's review for just a second, though. I want to make sure you know how to turn layers on and off. The layer list can be exposed by clicking on this double diamond and this plus at the top of the list. Now you see all the different layers that can be turned on for the map, and one of its key functions is to switch the map from a political map that you see now to a physical map. So don't forget you can turn on all these layers, and of course some of them don't make sense to have them all on at the same time. But by turning on certain layers, you can make the map suit the lesson you're trying to give. Let's close that layer window, and the most important thing I can show you is how to add tools to your toolbar. The standard Adobe Reader may not have the magnifying glass that you need to be able to zoom in on an area of the map. So let's put that up in the toolbar now. Click on View, Show Hide, Toolbar Items, and select and zoom. The tools that have check marks by them you'll find in the toolbar. Tools without check marks are not there. So let's put a check mark by the marquee zoom. Now the magnifier is there. This comes into play when you have an area where you need to zoom in to really be able to see the country labels, for example. So let's zoom in to Central Europe. And now everything's easy to read. The other thing you might want to do is mark up the map, and all those tools are available. Probably the most important tool you may want is the ability to add text to the map. And that's by clicking on the Add Edit Text box and then the typewriter. When you click on typewriter, you have the ability to add text to the map. Before you start, you can change the font to something a little less aggressive, and this is indicating the font color is red, but you may wish to make it some other color. And you can put any text on the map that you see fit. In addition to that, we'll go ahead and expose most of the map now. You can add other tools to the map. The commenting tools lets you mark up the drawing. And the highlighting tools, which you just double click to finish that, and then you can highlight any text that you see fit. For example, you can highlight Bulgaria as a former member of the Iron Curtain. So that's just a little bit about the way the eMapshop works. And any of these comments are listed, and you can easily right-click them and delete them. Or I could have hit File, Save As, and that would let you save the file to use in a future lesson plan. We hope you found this helpful, and if necessary, you can always get in touch with us at support@mapshop.com.